guys, GILLY Roberts here live. New York's first extreme snowstorm of the season. I'm here with my much needed, what would I call this? With my assistant, iced coffee, which I suggest everybody needs in this type of situation, an extreme storm. As you can tell, it's coming down right now. The build-up on the cars, we have about a centimeter of build-up, which means it's getting worse out here. I hope everybody's inside's got loads of milk and bread and eggs. We're going to do what I like to call the stick test. We look at the pavement, we test how much the snow is sticking. So far, I can confirm we have zero stickage, which is a good thing in these main streets of New York City. Moving along to a different street to test another storm circumstance. Something I like to do to test the severity of these types of storms is called the pole stick test. If anyone's seen the movie A Christmas Story, you know what I'm talking about. It's really coming down now. Here we have a trusty pole, and we have my tongue. We've passed the second stick test. The storm is not as bad as we thought. We hope everybody has a safe experience with the storm, gets home from work safely with their loved ones, eats all the bread, eggs, and milk that they've gotten. This is GILLY Roberts checking out here live at the scene. Stay safe, everybody. Back to you, GILLY Roberts. Almost lost my balance, I gave you my fingers.